Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Soundcore Q20i with the QCY H3, and we're going to look on a few differences between these two and what are the things that you actually need to know. So primarily the first thing is going to be really important is the battery life. So here the thing is that you're going to have a charging time about 2 hours, and playback time you have like 60 hours for the QCY, 60 hours and 35 hours with the ANC on. On the other hand, here when we are going to look here, you're going to have also 60 hours of playtime. And then you are going to have 40 hours with the ANC on, and here you're going to have 35 hours. So in this regard, you see that the battery life is kind of like really similar. You have the 5 hours more for the Q20i. Now when we are going to look even further, the charging port is same on both. You are going to have a type C, and then when we are going to look on even like more information that you need to know about both of these is that you have ANC on both. So this is, you're gonna have hybrid ANC. And now if you're looking for like let's say a balanced sound, fast charging, EQ presets, the Q20i can be good for it, for like bass up even. And now if you're looking for like let's say like a better design, the QCY H3 could be good. Now what I encourage you to do is that what you can do is actually listen to your own intuition. Like look on actually both products when you're gonna open them, let's say on Amazon, and what your intuition is telling you, like which one you should actually buy. And I encourage you to listen to that, because the same thing, they're like kind of similar on both. And the thing with the Soundcore that you can have like customize EQ, and it's good. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. Have a great day and goodbye.